Howdy, howdy, happy Monday. Today's assignment, that's the following. We have a Python assignment in front of us. And what we basically have to do is the following. We have an input string. Let me go over, that's this one. This website is for losers, lol. And what we have to do is to remove all the vowels from the string. How would you do that? In Python. So this is what I have already prepared. Let's run that. Oh well, we have to print the whole function to get some sort of output. Control B. This website is for losers lol. So what we have to do is to remove all the vowels like I, E, I, O, and even the capital O. So the vowels are either uncapitalized or capitalized. We have to remove them both. How would you do that? Well, let's start off defining what vowels are. Vowels are just the A, the E, and lastly the U. According to best practice, you have to write a neat little comment. These are the vowels we test against. But what do we have to test? Well, all the letters in the string. This website is for losers, lol. How do we do that? I propose a for loop. In programming language, you would say iterate through the string. For now, I use the most basic technique, and that's the for loop. So for letter in string, yeah, colon, print, letter. Let's have a look how that looks like. So when I pull this up, you see every single letter of this string printed out after each other. So that's what we have to use. And again, we have to test all these letters against the vowels. And from this point, it's only language. If letter in vowels, colon, what has to happen then? Well, we have to replace something in string. This string. String is string. And we have to replace this letter if it is included in this list. These are the vowels, right? So we have to replace the letter, comma, with nothing. We have to get rid of it. And then we conclude with the return string. It's already there. Okay, let's run that. Oh, well, that looks good. All the vowels are replaced except the last one. The capital O is missing because it's not included in our list. But we can solve this very simple by just putting in all the capitalized vowels like this. A, E, and the capital U. And let's run it again. And that's what we need. As the icing on the cake, we can put in another comment here. What do we do here? Well, removing all the vowels. Okay, and there you have it. If you made it to here, there's actually another solution. When I have another look at it, we can use this technique as well, the replace technique. What we can do beforehand is just replacing all the capitalized vowels with uncapitalized vowels instead of adding them here in the list. So that beats the following. So when we have the string, we can use the same technique, replace a capitalized A with a uncapitalized A. And do that 5 times for all the 5 vowels in total. Of course, don't forget the U. That one is very important as well. And let's test this out, if this works as well. First here, of course. We have the exact same output. And test it. You have passed all the tests. Very good. I like this one more. So this is the one I'm going to attempt and submit. That worked out perfectly. I see some solutions here that are way smarter than the solution we have used just yet. Although the approach that I've taken is the most easy one, I guess, for beginners. So it's more beginner friendly. I hope it has been useful to you. And for now, I wish you a great day.